welcome back to Earthy Eats Treats. Today we're diving into the world of juicing and exploring incredible benefits it can bring to your health and well-being. Whether you're new to juicing or looking to get back into it, stick around because I'll be sharing why juicing is such a game changer. Let's get started! First up, let's talk about nutrient boosts you get from juicing. Juicing allows you to consume large amounts of fruits and vegetables in one go, providing your body with concentrated dose of essential vitamins and minerals. For example, a juice made from carrots, oranges, and spinach can give you a powerful mix of vitamin D and vitamin A and iron, all vital for maintaining a strong immune system and healthy skin. Juicing can greatly improve your digestion by removing fiber. Juices are easier on your digestive system, giving it a much-needed break. Ingredients like ginger and mint are particularly good for soothing the digestive tract. I've noticed that my digestion feels so much better and smoother when I incorporate fresh juice into my diet, especially after a heavy meal. Levels. One of my favorite benefits of juicing is the energy boost it provides. The natural sugars and vitamins from fresh fruits and vegetables can give you a quick energy boost and energy lift. When I start my day with a green juice made from kale, apple, and cucumber, I feel much better and organized and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead without the crash that comes from caffeinated drinks. Juicing is also fantastic for detoxifying your body. It helps with flushing out toxins and support your liver natural detox processes. Ingredients like beetroot, lemon, and celery are known for detoxifying properties. A detox juice cleanse every once in a while can reset your system and leave you feeling rejuvenated. Lastly, juicing can significantly improve your hydration. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content, which contributes to hydration. For example, watermelon, cucumber, and oranges are incredibly hydrating and make refreshing juice combinations. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and juicing makes it easier and delicious. So there you have it, the top 5 benefits of juicing, from a nutrient boost and improved digestion to increased energy, detoxification, and better hydration. Juicing offers a variety of health benefits. I hope this video inspires you to give juicing a try and see the positive changes for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Earthy Eats, hit the like button, and leave your comment below sharing your favorite juice recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.